This kid stole my video. Let me explain. This is my video and this Ken Alpha A kid stole it from me. This is my video and as you can see, this kid stole it from me. This also is my video. He can't even make his own videos right. So, as you can see, I'm on his channel. So, do this thing with me. So, first of all, press this button, then press this button, and it's done! Also, subscribe to me so I can reach my goal of 7 subscribers.